A Canadian Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving. Family and friends come together. We have a big dinner. There is a turkey on the table. We eat the turkey with gravy and stuffing. Gravy is a sauce made with the juices of the turkey. Stuffing is made from bread, onions, celery, and herbs. The stuffing cooks inside the turkey. Some people like to have cranberry sauce with their turkey. There are also vegetables like roast potatoes and acorn squash. For dessert, we have pumpkin pie or pecan pie. It is a special time with loved ones.